friends, welcome back! I'm so glad you're here today. I have this cool caterpillar with 6 colors. Can you please help me put it back together again? Let's do it! Let's put our caterpillar together. The purple piece goes first. Purple. The blue piece goes second. Blue. Third, let's attach the green piece. Green. Now let's add the yellow piece. Yellow. Let's look for the orange piece and attach it to our caterpillar. Orange. Finally, let's attach the head of the caterpillar. It is red. It has 2 eyes and a smile. You got it! Good job! This caterpillar has 6 gears. They fit together and they spin. When you turn 1 gear, they all turn together. Every part of our caterpillar works together. I love it! My friends, thank you for putting this caterpillar together with me. I had fun and I hope you did too. See you next time. Bye-bye.